This video is brought to you by Paperlike. I am not a digital artist, but I do use the drawing program on my iPad to do some sketches, painting concepts, and designing merchandise too. But the truth is, I don't pay much attention on which type of screen protector I was using. I think I just used a basic glass screen protector and definitely never thought about the differences it would make if I use a professional one that I designed for creative purposes. It was until I get my hands on Paperlike screen protector. Just like its name, Paperlike makes this matte screen protector that gives you the immaculate experience of drawing on an actual paper. I am a traditional artist, so I really do enjoy hearing the sound and feeling the art mediums gliding through the painting surface, and I would love to have the same feeling when I draw on my iPad. So when I try using this Paperlike screen protector for the first time, oh my god, I am surprised that it truly does mimic the feel and sound of drawing on a real paper. Just listen to this. I also noticed that it makes the digital drawing experience much more enjoyable and less frustrating now, because it's easier for me to draw smooth lines and do all these consistent brush strokes that were a little bit harder to achieve when I used my previous glass screen protector. I think the roughness from this matte screen protector provides a certain friction that gives me more control and precision to draw, and I really enjoy the texture feedback from the screen. I think this does make a significant difference for the overall digital drawing experience. When I use my previous glass screen protector, I find it really easy for me to leave fingerprints and smudges all over the screen whenever I use my iPad. And switching to Paperlike is able to relieve this issue because this matte screen protector is able to reduce the visibility of fingerprints and smudges. It can also easily diffuse glare and increase visibility under different kinds of lightings. Overall, I think this is a wonderful screen protector for anyone who uses their iPad for creative purposes. If you want to upgrade your iPad accessories, or you want to replicate the authentic paper feel when you draw or write in your iPad, I think Paperlike is one of the great products you can check out. I will put the link to their website in my description box below, and now let's get back into the painting.